Meet Nicole. A year ago, Nicole managed her cleaning operation on hope. She hoped her employees were showing for their shifts. She hoped her employees knew what to do. She hoped she had enough staff to get the job done. She hoped she was meeting her financial goals, and most of all, she hoped someday to have less stress in her life. Then Nicole picked up janitorial manager and began running her cleaning operation with confidence. Now that she has JM, Nicole has reduced her stress level and increased performance. She's also strengthened her communication and the overall image of her operation. Janitorial Manager allows Nicole to provide responsibilities and expectations directly to her staff on their smart devices, as well as alerting them to operational changes they have to address instead of reacting to emergencies too late. To assure all cleaning standards are being achieved and reported, Nicole performs monthly inspections using the Janitorial Manager inspection app. With the timekeeping and scheduling portion of JM, Nicole can set a schedule for her staff and gets alerts if people don't show up at their specified time or leave the job early. The workloading tool allows Nicole to determine her needed staffing size and overall time required for a job based on validated ISSA cleaning times. Nicole also manages her inventory using JM to prevent the frantic "we need toilet paper" call. Janitorial Manager, the all-in-one program Nicole, her employees, and partners can access from their desktop and mobile devices to manage custodial needs. JM changed Nicole's organization. It used to run on stress and hope. Now, Nicole's cleaning operation runs on confidence, satisfaction, and results.